Heather, check out this backyard.
I love this here. So much space. It feels so quiet and calm.
I know you've got the outdoor living,
Yes.
the pool, and let's go check out the inside of this house and the preserve.
Let's do it.
Living area off the dining area lets in a lot of natural light where you get to overlook your beautiful backyard. Spacious kitchen with a double oven and plenty of cabinet space.
Luxury main bedroom needs a luxury ensuite. Entering your luxurious main ensuite from the outdoor lifestyle is so serene and beautiful. Three full bedrooms that guest space over the garage, as well as the main ensuite downstairs. In this home, you're gonna score big. Yourself in this flex space over the garage. For more information, look in the description below. I've got this beautiful listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.